Hi everyone, this is Tess. Welcome back to my channel. I'm on here to give an update for Sunday, May 13th, 2018. Before I get on to that, I do want to wish all the mothers out there a very happy Mother's Day. Um, May your day be blessed. So on to my weight loss. As you've seen the pic before this clip, I'm down 0.4 for the week, making a total of 118.6 pounds down and 41.4 to go. Not much of a loss, but I'm okay with that. As long as the scales are going down even somewhat, I'm fine with that. Like I said, this week I was not really perfect this whole week, so actually probably I would say about the past couple weeks haven't been the greatest for me. So, but that's okay. I'm still sticking to plan. I'm still going to continue doing what I'm doing. And the weight loss will come off. So the weight will come off. So, all right, I'm going to get off of here. I just wanted to give an update and wish everyone a very happy Mother's Day. And then I will see you again next Sunday. If not before, I will try to get another video or two out. So with that being said, you all have a great weekend. Enjoy this last day of the weekend, and I will see you again on next Sunday, if not before.